Much a major stunner to the bottom line today. Ford reporting nearly $5 billion in losses, and they expect more to come in 2026. We, of course, are talking about one of Louisville's and Kentucky's biggest employers, and that is Ford.
A big tariff hit and lower demand for electric vehicles are the factors in the losses. On an earnings call yesterday, Ford's leadership reported the EV division lost $4.8 billion in 2025, and they expect similar losses over the next 3 years.
So right here tonight, WHAS 11's Conroy Deluche and photojournalist Connie Offit took the pulse to see how this news could be impacting Louisville.
The big question is America ready for EV cars?
Looking at the demand, infrastructure, and Ford's reported losses, U of L economics professor Jose Fernandez says not quite there yet.
For anyone with an EV car, the idea of going several states over in your car, it takes a lot of planning.
Listening to Ford's earnings call, he says the drop in shares and tariffs were big factors in the big loss.
And they're expected to pay another $2 billion associated with these tariffs in the future.
At Bill Collins Ford in Louisville, GM Shane Collins says the disruption in F-150 production did hit inventory hard.
And then it's still just an affordability thing. You know, obviously interest rates are starting to come down, but the price of vehicles is still a little bit high.
Collins says that their EV inventory is relatively low, so the news about losses and the pivot by Ford, they don't really have an impact. But hindsight's 2020.
Had they been able to put that into a few more affordable vehicle lines, that are either hybrid or internal combustion, that would probably have helped us, have more opportunities for people and more vehicles to sell. But obviously that didn't happen.
He says that sales at the dealership are holding steady, and the Bronco Sport and Mavericks are selling well. As for EV's future, we saw two high-profile moves in Kentucky announced last year. The Louisville assembly plant will get $2 billion in upgrades to build the company's first mid-size four-door electric pickup. And down in Glendale, the newly constructed battery plants will be transitioned to battery storage, meeting the energy needs moving forward.
If we really believe that AI is going to be coming on and pushing forward, we're going to need a way to hold on to this type of energy.
Dr. Fernandez says he does not expect to see the impact from those Ford moves until after 2027. Reporting, Conroy Deluche, WHAS 11, on your side.
That transition of the Glendale plants was just announced in December, a move that meant 1,600 workers were laid off.
Ford said they will add more than 2,000 jobs when it reopens, but that won't be until at least next year.